Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm just glad you're here. I appreciate each and every one of you that's come through to watch my knife and EDC content. I just appreciate the fact that you're here. If you like it, if you're interested in the knife and EDC content that I put out, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out and it'll keep you tied into what's going on at the channel. I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all the channel members who support the channel. I appreciate each of you more than you know. And today we've got an unboxing, that's kind of a deja vu. I've got it upside down so you don't see the shipper, but we'll talk about that. I'm going to use my Amazon unboxing knife to open her up. So this might look a little familiar, guys. This is the Divo Lush. And this was traded with me to brother JD for EDC. I don't know if you guys are familiar with JD for EDC. I know you probably are if you're familiar with me. But if not, check him out. Give him a sub. Super cool guy, really good content, and was very cool to hook me up with a Lush. We basically did a Lush swap, if that's a decent way to put it. Can we call it a Lush swap without getting in trouble? It was a Lush swap. So I think he did it just because he was doing something kind for someone, but he knew that I was kind of all about the carbon fiber. And I had the Arctic carbon fiber. Ooh, God, and I'll show you why I'm just so crazy about this particular color. And thank you, JD. I appreciate you more than you know. I hope the other Lush has gotten to you. Let me know if you like it, if everything's good. I am stoked to see this one. Let me grab something real quick, guys, to show you what inspired me. So as you guys remember, or might remember, when I went to Nashville and picked up this beautiful Colin McGuire Mag 10 Knife Works, Mag 10 USA EDW fixed blade, it has the CamoCarbon fiber handle, which I love. I thought it was super sexy. I tried to get the Lush in the CamoCarbon fiber, but I didn't know any better, and I was a little bit late to the party. And like literally just a few minutes late, and all the camos were gone. So fast forward, I was able to grab the Arctic and loved it. And what I love about the carbon fiber on this 80s, on this ED, and on the Lush, all camo carbon fiber, is the way it reacts to light, or UV light. Plus, I like funkier colors, right? Everybody's got their deal, and that's kind of my deal. So the Divo Lush, I've done an unboxing. I've yet to do a review on this knife yet, but it's one that I'm going to be bringing to you guys real soon. It's got a front flipper, and if you guys follow the channel, know anything about me. If not, I'll share it with you now. I flicking hate front flippers. I don't front flip. I'm not a fan of front flippers, but this knife is absolutely effortless to front flip. There are actually two distinct places that I can front flip it with ease. Right here at the top of the bolster, or the top of the front of the bolster where this angle is, this little like contour end angle. And then on the blade, I just aim for right there and it'll flip like a dream. You've also got this nicely jimped top area here that flips like a dream. Even with my short finger, I can get around and flip that. And then for me, I'm a fuller flicker guy, but I love the knife. I'm a huge fan. I haven't been able to carry it for the last week because mine's been on the way to JD and JD's been on the way to me. So I'm gonna put it back in my pocket this afternoon and hopefully bring you guys a review, if not this weekend, late or early next week. Because the Lush has been in my pocket for, I don't know, I think I had it in my pocket probably 3 or 4 days before JD offered to swap it out with me. And again, hats off to him. Thank you, JD, for EDC. Guys, have a nice day. Reach out, give JD a sub if you're not already there. I'll link him in the description. Guys, thank you for watching my content. Thank you for stopping in. It means everything to me. And I do ask, if you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Always choose to bait, not hate. If you're looking for something to do and you happen to watch this on Saturday the 30th at 8:45 Central, 9:45 Eastern, I will be visiting with Lefty EDC on Off the Edge. We hang out for a couple of hours there. Maybe see some of you there. If not, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Peace.